Why are you so late?
Well, I was driving down the lane, on my way home when I saw a big truck, coming straight towards my car.
My goodness, then what happened?
I managed to swerve out of the way, but I bumped into another car in the next lane and there was a minor accident.
I hope you are not hurt.
I could easily have been in a very bad accident. I thank my lucky stars. Hey, what happened? You look sad. I was terminated from my job. Why? What went wrong? I forgot to do some regular maintenance on one of the machines in the factory. The machine I forgot to maintain broke and we lost 1 day's production. Did anyone get hurt? I thank my lucky stars that no one was hurt. Hey all, glad to see you again. So, today's idiom is, to thank your lucky stars. Let's quickly have a look at the origin of this idiom. The stars were said by the old astrologers to have an almost omnipotent influence on the lives and destinies of man, and to this belief is based our today's idiom. In the Middle Ages, astrology was widely believed. People thought that the positions of stars in the sky could influence events that happened to them. Therefore, if something particularly good or bad happened, it could be attributed to the positions of one or more stars in the sky. People may thank the stars for their good luck. Many people today still believe in astrology, but this phrase is not limited to astrological belief. Today, this idiom is used as an interjection or declaration of shock.